My name is Onyebuchi Chamaka Heretha. I am an international student from Nigeria studying at Central South University, Central China, Hunan province. I heard from my African friends that here in Hunan, they actually have a coffee shop that produces African coffee made with African bean. So here I am, and I have seen it, I've tried it, it actually tastes like home.
那我们小咖组这个咖啡项目呢，依托中非经贸博览会的平台优势和政策，那我们可以面对面的和非洲咖啡农进行沟通和交流。同时的话呢，我们通过自有的这个咖啡烘焙工厂，整个综合的这个成本可以下降接近30%。同时的话呢，还能帮助更多的非洲咖啡农提升他们的收益。
I can't wait to bring all my friends, all my African friends, to come and have a taste of this coffee from Africa, yeah. I believe this place will boost with conversations and clatter of cups, and I hope it can attract more Chinese customers and bring the African coffee culture closer to the Chinese public.